Overwhelmed by crypto trends? I will break down hours of content into a quick summary. Let's get started. Let's start with the market situation. The belief is that altcoin season is about to truly begin, and hardly anyone is ready for it. While most traders are calling tops and getting nervous, they argue that Ethereum is the missing piece that needs to pump before altcoins can explode. Right now, Ethereum is wildly undervalued, ignored, and hated. But big institutions like BlackRock and even the US government are quietly stacking Ethereum. Just like Bitcoin's ETF hype built up over time, Ethereum is next in line. The biggest money in the world, trillions of dollars, is about to flood into crypto. And the key winners will be Ethereum-based utility coins and a new wave of tokens focused on RWA. RWA, or real-world assets, is the most undervalued sector in crypto right now. While meme coins and AI projects have already had massive pumps, RWA is still ignored because it's boring. But that's exactly why it's the best opportunity. What is RWA? RWA projects bring real-world assets like real estate, stocks, gold, and bonds onto the blockchain, making them easy to trade and invest in. Big financial institutions are moving toward tokenizing assets, and Ethereum is going to be the network that powers it all. Next, let's see what are the most important coins to watch in RWA space. Chainlink, or Link. Chainlink is one of the most essential coins in crypto, yet it remains underappreciated because it lacks the hype of meme coins or AI projects. However, its importance cannot be overstated. Almost every real-world asset transaction and Ethereum-based financial application will depend on Chainlink's oracles. As RWA adoption accelerates, the demand for Chainlink's services will skyrocket, making it one of the biggest utility-driven plays in the space. Despite already having a $16 billion market cap, its long-term potential easily places it in the hundreds of billions, especially as financial institutions begin integrating blockchain-based data infrastructure. Ondo Finance. Ondo is at the forefront of institutional finance's entry into blockchain, working directly with BlackRock and major funds to bring traditional financial instruments on-chain. It is positioned as one of the primary bridges between old-world finance and decentralized blockchain ecosystems, making it a key player in the RWA movement. With a $1.6 billion market cap, it's already showing signs of growth, but as RWA becomes a dominant sector, Ondo could easily 5 to 10 times from here, especially as more institutional capital flows into tokenized assets. Reserve Rights, or RSR. Reserve Rights operates as a decentralized reserve system that could play a significant role in the future of on-chain finance. As governments and financial institutions increasingly explore crypto-backed monetary systems, a project like RSR could become a cornerstone of decentralized currency stabilization. With a market cap of just $200 million, it remains an under-the-radar asset, but with its potential role in the future of tokenized currencies, it could see exponential growth as RWA and institutional finance become mainstream. XRP. XRP has long been viewed as the banker coin of crypto, with strong institutional ties and an established presence in financial transactions. If banks and governments begin integrating blockchain technology for cross-border payments and liquidity management, XRP is well positioned to benefit. Unlike speculative assets, XRP already has working relationships with major financial players, making it a low-risk, high-upside bet on the future of institutional crypto adoption. With a $30 billion market cap, it's one of the largest assets in this space. But as traditional finance embraces tokenized assets, it could still see significant upside. ZigChain. ZigChain is one of the most promising hidden gems in the RWA sector. As an L1 blockchain specifically designed for RWA, it has the potential to dominate the space as institutions and developers look for optimized infrastructure to build financial applications. Since new Ls frequently reach multi-billion-dollar valuations, the fact that ZigChain is still sitting at a $100 million market cap makes it an extremely undervalued opportunity. Given its focus on RWA-specific blockchain solutions, this could be one of the biggest breakout projects as the sector gains momentum. Chintai. Chintai is an emerging RWA platform that provides the necessary infrastructure for businesses to create, manage, and trade tokenized assets on-chain. As institutional adoption of blockchain finance expands, platforms like Chintai will be critical enablers of this transformation. It remains early stage and relatively undiscovered, but its potential to serve as the backend for a rapidly growing asset class makes it a strong long-term play. Priceless. Priceless is bringing fine art and collectibles onto the blockchain, enabling fractional ownership and digital trading of high-value physical assets. Given that art and collectibles are among the best-performing traditional asset classes, tokenizing them creates new investment opportunities that were previously inaccessible to retail investors. As RWA adoption expands, Priceless could emerge as one of the key players in luxury asset tokenization. OMG is a platform for creating and managing tokenized RWA assets, much like Chintai. By providing businesses with tools to bring real-world assets onto the blockchain, it serves as an essential piece of infrastructure for institutional adoption. As more companies explore tokenized finance, platforms like OMG will play a key role in facilitating this transition, making it a strong long-term investment in the RWA space. As a final thoughts, let's answer to the question, why RWA and why now? The biggest money in the world, BlackRock, institutions, and even governments, are moving into crypto, and they're not looking at meme coins. They're focused on Ethereum-based real-world assets, a sector still undervalued, but set to explode. Ethereum's breakout past $5,000 will be the signal that alt season is truly here. And when it happens, RWA coins, utility projects, and infrastructure tokens will lead the charge. While the market is distracted with short-term price action, the smart money is positioning early. Chainlink, Ondo, and ZigChain are some of the biggest plays in this trend, but many other undervalued RWA projects will soon catch fire. Right now, RWA is still being ignored, but that's the opportunity. Retail will only catch on later, and by then, the biggest gains will already be made. The next crypto wave is forming, and the question is, are you positioned for it? That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this valuable, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future deep dives into the biggest crypto trends. Let me know in the comments, which RWA project are you most bullish on? See you in the next one.